5 Best Rake. Here is the product number 5. Hot Tulip Flower Latex. Brand name, Aloet. Pruning tool type, pruners. Model number, guard tools. Material, metal. Finishing, not coated. Pruner type, anvil. Feature, anti-slip grip. Here is the product number 4. Carbon steel garden tools. Application, garden rake. Handle material, steel handle. Model number, KS5. Head material, steel. Application, root hook. Here is the product number 3. Shovel Rake Garden Plant Tool. Brand name, Dave Foley. Handle material, wood. Head material, other. Application, garden rake. Model number, G2G33. Here is the product number 2. Lawn Litter Cleaning Rake. Application, garden rake. Handle material, plastic handle. Model number, 303T. Head material, iron. Material, cast iron. Size, total length 410 mm. Scope of application, flat soil rake, lawn litter cleaning rake. Specification, 9-tooth rake. Features, the use of cast iron manufacturing, durable. Here is the product number 1. Plant Garden Gardening Tools. Brand name, Dave Foley. Handle material, wood. Head material, alloy. Application, garden rake. Model number, G2G33. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.